Welcome to the video. Today, we are exploring a topic that frustrates thousands of new entrepreneurs every single day. You just filed your paperwork and formed a brand new limited liability company. You have your official documents and you are ready to conquer the market, but there is one massive problem standing in your way. You have absolutely zero revenue. When you have no sales and no cash flow, traditional banking advice tells you that it is impossible to secure funding. People say you need years of tax returns and massive bank balances to get a business credit card. I am here to tell you that this is completely false. The financial industry actually has very specific pathways designed specifically for brand new founders who are starting from absolute scratch. In this deep dive, we are going to break down the easiest business credit cards to get for a new limited liability company that requires absolutely zero revenue to qualify. We will cover the exact mindset of the banks and how you need to fill out your applications to ensure approval. Before we look at the specific cards, we must understand how lenders view a brand new business entity. When your limited liability company has no history, the banks cannot underwrite the business itself. Instead, they underwrite you as the individual founder. This is accomplished through a mechanism known as the personal guarantee. By signing a personal guarantee, you are telling the credit card issuer that you will personally pay the debt if your new business fails to generate any money. Because you are taking on this ultimate responsibility, the banks do not care if your business has zero revenue right now. They look entirely at your personal credit score and your personal income to make their lending decision. This is why having a strong personal credit profile is the golden key for a new founder. If you have a clean personal history, you can unlock tens of thousands of dollars in business credit before you ever make your first sale. Understanding how to fill out the credit card application is the most critical part of this entire process. When you sit down to apply, the form will ask you for your annual business revenue. This is where most new founders panic and freeze. They think that putting zero in that box will lead to an automatic denial. The secret here is understanding projected revenue. Many banks allow you to enter a realistic projection of what you expect your business to earn over the next 12 months. You do not have to lie or exaggerate, but you can state a reasonable estimate based on your business plan. Furthermore, the application will ask for your total gross income. This is not just your business income. This is your total personal income from all sources, including your day job or your investments or your spouse's personal income if you have shared access to those funds. The banks use this massive total income figure to justify giving your brand new business a high credit limit. Let us transition to the actual credit cards that are most friendly to new businesses with zero revenue. The undisputed king of this category is the American Express Blue Business Plus credit card. American Express is incredibly welcoming to new entrepreneurs and freelancers. They are famous in the financial community for approving brand new entities with stated revenue of $0 as long as the founder has a solid personal credit score. The Blue Business Plus is a phenomenal tool because it earns 2 times the membership rewards points on every single purchase. You make up to $50,000 a year. This means you are earning premium travel rewards while buying basic startup materials like web domains and office supplies. Another massive advantage of American Express is that they very rarely report your business credit card activity to your personal credit report. This protects your personal credit utilization ratio while you are scaling your new enterprise. The second major card you must consider is the Chase Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. Chase is slightly more conservative than American Express, but they still actively approve new limited liability companies with zero revenue. The Ink Business Cash is legendary because it offers a massive sign-up bonus without charging any annual fee. If you know you have some large initial startup costs coming up, this card is the perfect way to get a huge cash return on those necessary investments. It also offers incredibly high cash back multipliers at office supply stores and on internet and phone services. When you apply for a Chase business card with zero revenue, you must be prepared to fall into their pending status. Chase frequently requires human underwriting for new businesses. They might call you to verify your identity and ask a few simple questions about your business plan. As long as you confidently explain your concept and rely on your personal income, you have a very high chance of approval. Coming in at number 3 is a card from an institution that many people completely ignore. I am talking about the United States Bank Business Triple Cash Rewards card. This institution aggressively targets small business owners, and they are very accommodating to zero revenue applicants. The Triple Cash card is specifically designed to help you float your initial startup costs. It typically comes with a very long introductory period of 0% annual percentage rate on purchases. This feature is an absolute lifesaver for a brand new limited liability company. It allows you to buy your essential equipment and inventory today and pay it off slowly over the next year without accumulating any interest charges. Just like American Express, this bank looks heavily at your personal credit profile and your total household income to approve the application. It is a quiet powerhouse in the business credit world that every new founder should evaluate carefully. Our fourth option brings us to the Capital One Spark series of business credit cards. Capital One has a massive machine learning algorithm that processes applications instantly. They offer a specific card called the Spark Cash Select, which is tailored for business owners with good to excellent personal credit, regardless of their business revenue. Capital One is very transparent about the fact that they are underwriting you as a person first. If your personal finances are in order, getting a Spark card for your new limited liability company is usually a very smooth process. You earn a flat rate of cash back on every purchase, making it very simple to manage your rewards without tracking different spending categories. However, there is one very important detail you must know about Capital One. They are one of the few major issuers that historically reports your business credit card activity to both the commercial credit bureaus and your personal credit report. You must keep your balances low on this card to protect your personal scores. Let us discuss what happens when the automated computer system does not give you an instant approval. This is very common for brand new limited liability companies. You might submit your application and see a screen that says your application is pending for the review. Many new founders panic when they see this message. They assume it is a rejection because they have no revenue. You must remain calm. A pending status simply means a human underwriter needs to verify the information you provided. The bank might call you on the phone to ask about your business.